thank you for taking the time to see me today. I would like to show you the Precision Induction Cooktop, which I'm going to refer to as a PIC throughout the rest of the demonstration for ease of speech. To start off, do you cook your own meals?
Yes.
Would you like to have healthier meals?
Yes.
And would you find a feature of an auto shut-off to be of use to you in the event that you may fall asleep?
Yeah.
Well, let me show you how the product works. First off, it's lightweight and portable. It weighs 5 pounds and 4 ounces. Very easy to manage to move anywhere that you might need to. Water. We just have water in this pan. I want to show you how quick the product actually works for it to start boiling. Would you like to try the controls? You would want to hit, since we want it to boil, you can hit the maximum. Yep. And then you would hit the start button. And you hear the fan going so that you know the product is working. 575 degrees is the top temperature. The lowest temperature that you can set it is 100 degrees. Your buttons, you go low, medium, high, high, and then you have your sear for doing your meats. They're precise temperature settings. So if you were to turn it to high, it goes to 425 degrees. And then your plus and minus buttons here allow you to change the temperature. It could either go up by 10 degrees or down by 10 degrees, depending on how many times you push the button. So it's ease of one button if you just need to adjust your temperature just a little bit here or there. But we'll put this back on high just to show you the feature of it boiling water in 90 seconds is all it takes. And while that's going on, I wanted to show you what you get with your product. This comes with your quick start guide. Shows you how to set it up. It gives you the options, lets you know how to use the timer, because you can set your temperatures, and then you can set the time to cook. If you only wanted to cook for 10 minutes, you could set the timer, and when the timer's done, it automatically shuts it off. And it's precise. It happens immediately. So if you turn it off, it cools off, shuts down, so it doesn't cook it any further. Along with it, you'll get a DVD. On the DVD, it has one of our cooks, one of our chefs. She goes through, demonstrates how to make some really good, delicious, quick, easy meals, as well as how to use the fondue. It comes with the fondue accessories. So you have your fondue skewers. Each has a different color, so that if you have friends over, everybody knows which one is theirs. And with that, it has the ring that sets inside the pan, so that you can take your skewer and put it in there with your fruit, whatever you have on there, so that it can get the dipping sauce in that it needs. With that as well, we have the vegetable steamer. Has the holes in the bottom, so that if you wanted, you could cook your meat. You would set this on top, put your vegetables in, and you'd put the top on. Steams your vegetables at the same time that it cooks your meat. Or if you wanted to make noodles, you would just take this off, put your noodles in, and then you can put that back on to steam your vegetables. When you need to stir the noodles, you can take that off. If you would, this surface does not get hot. You can touch the whole thing all the way around, so that's one of the safety features. So it's not like your standard cooktop.
Yeah.
The handles do not get hot, because the only area that's cooking, because this isn't hot, it's not heating up around, so it's just heating up in the pan itself. So this does not get hot. And that is one of the items that comes free with your product if you order that today. I also brought with me today the 9-inch frying pan that you can use for cooking smaller meals, making eggs, anything you'd like. You don't have to use any oils or cooking sprays. So your meals are healthier cooking with this cookware. As well, I'd like to show you a little trick. This is not one of the pans that comes with the product. This is one that you buy at the grocery store. And to know if it'll work with the induction oven or the cooktop, you use a standard magnet. It sticks to the bottom, then it has the magnetic leads that it needs to work with the product. So are you wondering how much this costs?
Sure.
Okay, it is under $100.
Everything comes with it.
Everything comes with it. As well as, if you order from us today, you'll also get the griddle. There's a griddle that comes with it, and a handy carrying case to put your product in. So you can take it with you places. Anywhere that has a standard U.S. outlet, you can use it. I think that was it for the gifts. It does come with accessories. Like the 9-inch frying pan, we do have a 10.5-inch and 11.5-inch frying pan. All of our pans come with the lids that you can purchase. We have the 9-inch, 10.5, and 11.5-inch lid. Other accessories include a pressure cooker that we have that is $79.95 plus shipping and handling. We have, and that also comes with the Bob Warren cookbook. As well as you can get the or the pan set, which is the cookware set, and that runs you $69.99, gives you 3 different size pans that you can cook with. And our water is boiling. I didn't note the time, unfortunately. But just so you know, it does work. It works very fast, and still the surface is cool to the touch. Yeah, pan top.
Yeah, just curious.
So how does this sound to you?
Sounds pretty good.
Would it be something you would be interested in? If you order the product today, I can have it shipped out to you tomorrow.
I'm not sure, really.
You're not sure? What would it take for me to convince you? Do you have any questions about the product?
What kind of things can you make on it besides boiling water?
Well, you can make everything you make in a regular oven on top of the stove, anything you make in the microwave. The great idea with this is it cooks faster than the regular conventional oven, and it doesn't cook as fast as your microwave, but it doesn't make your food tough. So it cooks in between the time that it takes to do in your microwave and oven.
Okay, sounds pretty good.
Sounds pretty good? Can we sign you up to get one today?
Sure.